Hi guys, we're here.
Hi, we're here. There are no rocks.
No, this is not a house, Daddy.
It's a babatu.
And guys, we didn't move in here. We just go to Filipino and then to Marikina. We're in Filipino. We can speak Tagalog. Hello. Hi guys. Filipino ako. At saka guys, meron kami pagkain ng papa namin. Magkakapatid kami. Pumunta kami dito para doon ang playground.
At saka nakuha pa kami meal.
Guys, ito yung playground ng dilim na meron swing, meron duyan, meron slide. At dito yung court, syempre, kailangan ng court. Hindi kami nakatira dito. Nandito lang kami.
Ingay, di ba?
Maingay.
Kaya dito kami. Pagkuhan ng